From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Strasbourg offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Upon arrival, meet your local guide at the designated meeting point for a meticulously planned 2-hour cycling tour. This bespoke experience caters to individual preferences, ensuring every aspect of the journey aligns perfectly with your interests. Our primary objective is to tailor the itinerary to enhance your enjoyment and create an indelible memory of this unique excursion. Embark on a captivating exploration of Strasbourg's rich history, immersing yourself in its iconic landmarks, such as the Cathedral, Place Gutenberg, and Place Kleber. Wander along bustling shopping avenues while taking in the serene beauty of the surrounding historical monument. Following its introduction, venture into the heart of the historic district via charming streets lined with half-timbered buildings and a plethora of eateries. Your route leads you to Barrage Vauban, where a delightful surprise awaits. Continue biking through the picturesque Routenau area, passing by the prestigious European District, featuring the European Parliament and the Council of Europe. Next, relax amidst the lush greenery of the Orangery Park before concluding your journey with a stroll through the tranquil German district of Strasbourg. In closing, we offer personalized recommendations to make your stay truly memorable. From exploring the best local gastronomy and cultural experiences to discovering hidden gems across the region, our team ensures you return home with cherished memories and newfound appreciation for Strasbourg's diverse offerings. Throughout your trip, your local guide is available to address any queries and capture moments from the most stunning locales. Let us facilitate an extraordinary experience tailored specifically for you. Strasbourg, a city steeped in history, has played a pivotal role in fostering dialogue between France and Germany for centuries. Its past is marked by conflict, particularly during the Franco-German relationship. But today, Strasbourg stands as a beacon of unity, embodying the efforts of its citizens to build a harmonious Europe. The Wacken district, characterized by its rapid growth and vibrant energy, offers an exciting blend of modern architecture, cycling lanes, and scenic views along the Ill River. This area also boasts proximity to significant European institutions such as the European Court of Human Rights and the Council of Europe. These entities play crucial roles in shaping international law and governance, respectively, making them essential sites of study for anyone interested in European affairs. Adjacent to the European district lies a collection of notable Art Nouveau-style residences, offering visitors insights into the architectural heritage of Strasbourg. To conclude our tour, we will venture onto the banks of the Ill River, where the European Parliament can be found. Here, delegates from various countries gather to vote on European legislation, highlighting the importance of cooperation among nations within the European Union framework. This comprehensive overview underscores Strasbourg's multifaceted nature, bridging historical divisions while celebrating contemporary achievements in promoting peace, democracy, and human rights across Europe. Strasbourg offers an opportunity for visitors to gain access to the unique experiences and attractions that make this enchanting city truly special. By opting for a personalized, customized tour led by a local guide, one can delve deeply into the cultural fabric of Strasbourg, beyond what might otherwise be available. This approach ensures that each participant's experience is tailored precisely to their individual preferences and tastes, allowing them to engage with the city in a manner that reflects their personal interests and passion. Through the guidance of the local expert, participants will uncover a richer understanding of Strasbourg's history, traditions, and contemporary lifestyle. Furthermore, these tours provide a comprehensive view of the city's hidden gems and lesser-known sites, making the most of the visitor's time and energy. With choices ranging from 2 to 8 hours, there is flexibility to accommodate different schedules and preferences, ensuring that every member of the group can fully immerse themselves in the essence of Strasbourg's charm and allure. Traveling south from Strasbourg, commence your journey by reaching Berghain, an enchanting medieval village nestled along the picturesque wine route. This charming hamlet offers numerous hidden gems within its cobbled streets, making it a treasure trove for history enthusiasts. Next, proceed towards Ribeauvillé, an ancient fiefdom belonging to the lords of Ribeaupierre. As you explore this historic town, immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of its cobblestone lanes and quaint architecture. Upon arrival in Hunauier, take a moment to capture the iconic fountain's beauty before continuing onward. Your destination awaits a local winemaker who specializes in producing traditional Alsatian wines. Indulge in a delightful lunch break in the village of Ribeauvillé, known for its breathtaking views and prime vantage point overlooking the vineyards. Following lunch, embark upon a tour through two other renowned villages, Kaisersberg and Eguisheim. These medieval towns boast exceptional architectural charm and were recently selected as favorite villages of France by the prestigious French Cultural Agency, reflecting their enduring appeal and cultural significance. Kaisersberg triumphed in the 2017 edition, while Eguisheim emerged victorious in 2013. At the conclusion of your memorable adventure, return to Strasbourg at sunset, ready to savor the vivid experiences and captivating landscapes you've encountered during your journey. Your guide, fluent in French, will provide comprehensive insights into each stop, ensuring a seamless and enriching experience. However, audio guides are available in various languages should you prefer, to enjoy the scenic highlights without the linguistic barrier. Strasbourg's unique feature lies in its strategic location adjacent to Germany. This proximity is evident through daily commutes via various modes of transportation such as streetcar, bicycle, and automobile. The vibrant Jardin des Deux Rives stands as a testament to this connection, offering residents and visitors ample opportunities for leisure activities, including strolling along both banks of the Rhine, enjoying a sunlit afternoon, engaging in jogging, or exploring local shops. Situated on the German side, this picturesque oasis invites reflection on the shared borders and the distinct cultural and architectural contrasts that characterize the two nations. Our journey begins with a visit to the Cooperative District, an emerging neighborhood that we will traverse prior to embarking upon our route to the Jardin des Deux Rives. Following this, we shall navigate across the boundary separating the two countries to reach Kehl. Inaugurated in 2003 as a pedestrian and cycle-exclusive bridge, facilitating regular crossings for citizens of Strasbourg regardless of their time of day. This iconic structure exemplifies the harmonious integration of neighboring communities within the framework of the European Union, embodying the principles of mobility and unity among its members. Adjacent to Kehl lies the charming town of Kehl, situated on the other side of the Rhine. Known as the first German city to cross the river, Kehl offers a glimpse into the traditional charm and historical significance of German city. This quaint town provides visitors with a taste of authentic German culture, setting the stage for further exploration of the diverse landscapes and rich histories that define the region. Embark upon a guided exploration of Strasbourg, commencing at the historic Grand Ile, where you will marvel at the exquisite blend of Romanesque and Rayonnant Gothic architectural styles embodied by the Strasbourg Cathedral. Capture unforgettable photographs in front of this UNESCO World Heritage Site, immersing yourself in the rich tapestry of Strasbourg's storied past. Next, proceed to Place Kléber, renowned as the city's largest square. Here, you will encounter the imposing statue of Jean-Baptiste Kléber, a figure whose legacy has left an indelible mark on the region. Engage in conversation with your knowledgeable guide, who will share tales of the general's military prowess and his architectural contributions to the area. Venture into the charming Tonneliers district, characterized by its array of bars and restaurants offering a quintessentially local experience. Your guide will assist you in capturing the perfect shot, ensuring you capture the essence of life within these picturesque neighborhoods. As the day draws to a close, seek out recommendations from your guide regarding the finest dining establishments throughout the city. These expert insights will equip you with the knowledge needed to make the most of your culinary journey, allowing you to savor authentic dishes and indulge in the unique flavors that define Strasbourg. Prepare for an immersive exploration of Strasbourg's rich history spanning millennia, starting with its founding and concluding amidst contemporary conflicts. Begin your journey at Place de la République, where you'll uncover the historical significance of this majestic square. Continue along to Place Kléber, a cornerstone of Strasbourg's identity, and explore the traditions surrounding its Christmas tree and renowned winter market. Your guide offers valuable insights into the neighborhood of La Petite France, revealing its origin story and architectural evolution throughout time. Proceed to the picturesque streets of this charming district, eager to capture memorable moments and seek out additional sites worthy of your attention. Finally, reach the heart of Strasbourg as you ascend to Cathédrale Notre-Dame de Strasbourg, the city's iconic landmark, where tales of its construction and preservation await to captivate your imagination. Embark on this comprehensive journey through Strasbourg's storied past and vibrant present, guided by your knowledgeable local companion. Discover the quintessential Alsatian cuisine during this culinary exploration of Strasbourg. Immerse yourself in the rich flavors of the region through tastings of classic charcuterie, paired with artisanal cheeses and a selection of regional delicacies. Sample a hearty stew, featuring smoked ham hocks, sausages, and the iconic choucroute garni, reflecting the hearty nature of Alsatian dining traditions. In addition to the mouth-watering meals, indulge in a taste of Alsatian wines and beers, which have earned the region worldwide acclaim due to its extensive brewing and winemaking heritage. End your gastronomic journey with a delightful slice of traditional Alsatian gingerbread, known affectionately as pain d'épices, embodying the festive spirit of the holiday season. Throughout your experience, enjoy insightful commentary from your knowledgeable guide, who will share fascinating insights into the cultural significance and historical roots of these beloved dishes. Your cycling guide has arrived, and we are now preparing to embark on a tour. 5-hour program centered around exploring the captivating city of Strasbourg. Our route begins with a concise introduction to the urban landscape, followed by a journey through the Imperial German district, the Neustadt, and ultimately, our destination, the European institutions. Upon arrival, we proceed to traverse the old town, Petite France, and admire the charming covered bridges and the Vauban Dam. After crossing the Pont du Corbeau and passing through Gutenberg Place, we reach the picturesque Notre-Dame de Strasbourg Cathedral, one of the iconic landmarks of the region. Following this, we make our way to the Opera House located on Place Broglie, offering a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Strasbourg. Continuing our journey, we cycle along the narrow streets surrounding the cathedral, allowing us to explore some lesser-known areas near Place Saint-Étienne. As we move towards the Neustadt, we approach the heart of the European district, where we can witness the presence of the European Parliament, the Council of Europe, and the European Court for Human Rights. Upon reaching the Parc de l'Orangerie, we enjoy a momentary respite from the urban hustle and bustle before making our way back to Place d'Austerlitz. Along the way, we cycle along sections of the city's historic 14th century walls, providing an authentic experience of Strasbourg's past. During the traditional holiday season, including Christmas time, this tour may not be available. In such cases, we recommend exploring the festive atmosphere with our alternative Christmas market bike tour, which offers a unique perspective on the local culture and traditions. Insert link to alternative tour. The tour commences with a departure from the Strasbourg bus station and proceeds towards the historic Haute Königsburg Castle as the initial destination of the day. Upon arrival, visitors are invited to appreciate the architectural marvels, delve into the history of those who resided within these walls, and be captivated by the breathtaking vistas spanning the Black Forest. Following the castle, the open-top bus embarks upon the renowned Alsace wine route, pausing at a notable medieval village known as Requia during its journey. This excursion allows ample opportunities to leisurely explore the charming streets of this picturesque village, purchase a memorable souvenir, or indulge in a delightful meal at a local restaurant. Next, the tour takes a detour to Kaisersberg, where the beauty of the fortified bridge can be admired amidst the serene village setting. The itinerary concludes with an exploratory visit to Colmar, a distinctive and enchanting country town. However, due to the closure of the tourist train in November, guests are offered free time in the city instead. It is important to note that the guide exclusively communicates in French. However, audio guides are available to cater to various language preferences.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.